Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
It's kind of raining. Why is that stock?
Now I usually don't vlog one day after another, but I guess today we're vlogging 2 days in a row. Actually, now that I think about it, it's gonna be good practice for us because I'm gonna be at SEMA next week, so I'll be vlogging day after day after day after day. Unfortunately, the wide body GTR is not gonna be there, but hopefully one day we're still gonna keep that dream alive, and maybe one day we'll send our own wide body GTR from Hawaii. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. I always say this, the dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them. So if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I make automotive content, and best of all, we're located here in Hawaii. Now I really don't know what we're gonna be doing today. This is like all like off the whim kind of plan. I have work in a few hours, but our friend Anthony hit me up last night. He said, yo, come out to Kaka'aka Waterfront. You're gonna meet up with a few guys. So I really don't know who's gonna be showing up to this meet. It's just a small meet of like just a few friends and friends of friends. So we're gonna make friends, try to film as much content as we can. As mentioned in the beginning, I usually don't film like one day after another because I just want to have like one rest day to process everything. But today is the exception because yeah, I need to get out of the house, and I'm telling you guys this right now. So yesterday was Saturday, today's Sunday. Sunday I usually just stay up, watch football, do whatever, but yeah, my Bears are getting demolished by the Buccaneers, and it's quite embarrassing. I stopped watching after the first quarter, just to say the least. Now, I'll be honest, I was gonna take the 370 out, but just looking at the car, because we just got it cleaned yesterday, it's so beautiful. I love the way that the Super Silver looks. Just look at that carbon, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh! And we are back here once again. With the gas prices going up, I feel like we just update you guys on how much gas costs in Hawaii. What does it cost now? Yesterday was $4.72. Oh, it's still $4.72. All right, let's go put some gas. Ah, yes. And here we go. I'm just joking. There's a church right there. I'm not gonna do it near a church. Not today. All right, let's get some downshift, downshift, downshift. Do I want to go second gear? Not really. Okay, let's go. Oh! I forgot to tell you guys this a few weeks ago, but one of our friends from the mainland, he has a GTR. He also has a wide body, and he also has wheels for sale. So he hit me up and he said, yo, do you want to buy my wheels? Because he's buying new ones. I was thinking about it at first, but let me go ahead and ask you guys, what if we got wheels that had a chrome barrel? Super Silver GTR with a chrome barrel. Depending on the innards, it might look good, but will the chrome barrel be good for Hawaii's salt water or salt in the air? Let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'm putting this on video. I haven't seen you in like 2 years, dude.
I know, bro. How you been?
Oh my god.
Fucking hell, bro.
So are we trading today?
Hell yeah, dude.
I take the bike.
Test them.
See, you only get a bike when I sell mine.
Dude,
This is nice though. This is super light. Water cooled, yeah?
Yeah, water cooled.
Got a pretty good mix today. GTR, Silvia, Supra with the Street Hunter kit. We got the Miata. Shout out to Anthony, Mr. Sriracha over there. Silvia, Z, STI, Evo. This is nuts.
That guy looks like Alex Troy.
Just because it's a pink car and he's wearing glasses?
Yeah.
I know. Oh, fast guy. Speed bump! Speed bump! Oh.
I was like, dude, imagine if you fucking blew, that would fucking go.
Damn. Clean S2K.
Oh, it looks sick.
Oh my. Pop the hood! Pop the hood!
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood!
It's kind of raining. Why is that stock?
Mr. Johnny Tran over here.
Stock?
Wait.
degrees.
Wow.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what?
Dang, bro, this thing is absolutely freaking nuts. Shout out to my boy Alex. We actually went to college together. Well, he's putting together this 370Z, and man, this thing is super sick. I'm pretty sure this is the AIM game. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's like, oh my god, this thing is nuts. Of course, you got the Tomei. I don't know if I'd run a Tomei on my car, but damn, this thing is so sick. Wide body molded WRX STI. Oh my god, this thing is sick. I dig the DRLs, man. Look at that. Big ass wing, wide bodied, fitment is sick. Freaking dope, man. So dope. Dang, bro, that Supra with the Street Hunter wing. Oh my god, that thing is sick. State your name, what car you drive, and 3 things you like about it.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, my name is Lucas. I drive a Honda SUK. 3 things I like about it. First thing I like is the soft top. Second thing, VTEC. Third thing, I'm stock.
Yeah, liar. Who's next?
Can't do it like you.
You're talking about it right now.
There's nothing I like about that car.
3 things you like about the GTR. Oh, fast, huh?
GTR, that's right there.
Is there a BMW logo on there?
Yeah, there is a BMW.
There is it really? No,
multiple
right there. BMW.
Yeah.
Just right there, they're trying to hide it.
All right, perfect. He's by his car.
I gotta. It's the best mod to the car, dude. I don't know, it's cool. What do you like about it? You tell me.
Advance,
Yeah?
carbon lip, or carbon wing, or duckbill, I should say. Brakes.
Oh god.
I do wish I had a bigger brake kit though. I think it's the lower trim Z. It's not the one with the Brembo brakes and stuff.
Name's Duck Soup. 2020 Toyota Supra. 3 things I like about the car. It's fully protected by PPF. Also, it's a BMW with a Toyota warranty. And also, last thing, I ain't got a dipstick on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love the wheels, dude.
Thanks.
Sick. Favorite wheels all time. I'll say it many times on this channel. Advan GTs are the best wheels for any car. Oh, even. I like the Star Wars touches to it though.
Yeah.
Damn, BMW Toyota Supra. This thing is sick. Well, I guess I'm ending the vlog here. Gotta go to work. Super cool day. Met a lot of cool guys. Yeah, shout out to all those guys. Hopefully I see them all again. Super fun day. But yeah, if you guys haven't done so, subscribe. Remember, you guys are all called to be great. Be great in your own way. Stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.